Today, let's have a look at this beautiful 1957 Harley-Davidson Sportster. Well, welcome to Bator International. Very proud to offer up this gorgeous 1957 Sportster. This is my, what can I say, swan song for the restoration on Sportsters. I've done so many through the years, and this will be my last. Last month we ran this through the judging at the AMCA meet up at the Fort Sutter chapter in Dixon, California. And being that it was the very first time this bike has been judged, it went for the junior first classification, and I'm very proud to say that it scored 100 points. This paint scheme is called Nugget Gold and Birch White. This was a mid-year color only, so if you have a Sportster that you want to restore, you have to have a higher engine number to go ahead and make it politically correct to use this color. Every nut, every bolt, every screw is exact as it came out of the factory. It even has the original square vented spark plugs, the molded spark plug caps and wires. And during the AMCA judging, you have to fire the bikes up, which this one did. Sounded very good. And being that Harley-Davidson discontinued the Sportster, this bike is even more rare. It's got the Linkert DC1 carburetor, proper bugle horn, the 1 year only tank badge, proper rear shock absorbers. I mean, everything on this bike is absolutely proper. Being 100 points, I don't need to explain more. Well, you can check this bike out on the website, batorinternational.com, or you can feel free to give me a call direct and I'll be happy to talk to you about it. Thanks for watching. I hope you like what we have to offer. And again, any questions, feel free to call me direct.